Ready to experience a transformation in fiber testing? Introducing a new approach to fiber installation, turn-up, and repair. Meet the Optical Xplorer, the industry's first optical fiber multimeter. It's a highly intuitive, purpose-built, intelligent job helper that addresses challenges related to network quality, cost pressures, shortage of skilled technicians, budget constraints, and delays due to heavy fiber test processes. The Optical Xplorer verifies optical links in seconds and automatically explores further when potential issues are suspected to allow frontline technicians to find and fix faults on the spot. It delivers 3 major innovations. In less than 3 seconds, EXFO Advisor assigns a 1 to 5 star rating to deliver a qualitative assessment of fiber link quality based on industry best practices. With Fault Explorer, technicians don't waste time on good links. Only links suspected as faulty are explored automatically to eliminate any doubts and save testing time. Click-out optical connectors, together with lifetime calibration, cut downtime and logistics associated with factory-based maintenance and repairs, plus minimize total cost of ownership. Experience fiber testing that's simpler, better, faster, leaner, and stronger. Boost your workforce output, minimize Level 2 expert support, and reduce additional truck rolls. Upskill frontline techs and improve work quality at the push of a button. Speed up service activation, mean time to repair, and time to revenue with leaner methods of procedure for improved ROI. Bring down OPEX and CAPEX by minimizing cost of ownership without compromising quality. Take control of quality of service and gain confidence in your fiber infrastructure ahead of its next evolution. Optical Xplorer makes 5-star testing simple for frontline fiber technicians no matter their skill level. Equip your team and experience a transformation in fiber testing.